Alright guys, have you ever had a problem in your ugly bathroom and then a contractor came in to fix it while you were out of town and totally gut the whole thing and remodel the bathroom from the bones and out with absolutely the best material ever? Well, these customers have, and that's exactly what we've done to them. Check out the video.
Alright guys, we're on our way to pick up Ryan to his house. I hope he's gonna be excited. So basically what we're gonna do today is we're gonna go and pick out some tile. This time we're gonna go all floor and decor, just because it's gonna save us a lot of time. Everything's gonna be in stock. Because like I said, this is gonna be a quick one, you know. It's just gonna be a 2-day thing. We're gonna get in there and get out while they're on their vacation. And I hope they're gonna like it. You know, every customer so far has been satisfied for the last 20 years. So let's hope this one's gonna turn out great. All right, brother, are you ready or what?
Oh yeah,
let's do it.
All right, so what I'm thinking is white tiles on the wall, porcelain, kind of reminds you of, say...
so not plain white, a little bit of mixture in it, right?
Yeah, kind of reminds you of clouds at the beach or something like that.
Okay.
And then a abstract black and white floral pattern on the floor. All right, we are at Floor and Decor, and we are looking for tile.
You like this one better, yeah?
Yeah, I did.
And it is non-slip, you know? This one is actually a little thinner, which is good when you're setting it, because it's not going to raise our floor that much.
Yeah, that's right.
All the kids can have a drawer for themselves, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I kind of like that one too. This would be like perfect because it has a little bit of movement, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you do, you know, get it dirty or anything like that, it'll kind of blend in,
Mm-hmm.
okay? This is a quartz countertop, really nice.
Or,
This-
brother, toothbrushes.
yeah.
Yep.
And we went with all chrome. The reason why it's going to be easier to clean, and it shines. So I think this is going to be the one, right?
Yep.
All right, smoothie time, and then let's go home.
Yep.
So what did you tell your wife? Why did we have to leave?
I said Brother Vladi was going to show me the car, and we were going to do some experiments and test drives.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
That's perfection.
Yep.
All right, boys, we're in the house. So the story is we're fixing a faucet that doesn't work, but what they don't know is we're gonna tear this whole thing out. So as you see, faucet don't work, who cares? We'll fix that, and this is the whole bathroom. Everything goes, the tub, the floor, the toilet. All right, finally our tub is in. We gotta level it, we're gonna screw it down. Also, as you see, our plumbing is absolutely perfection. I mean, just look at it. Everything just fits right on the money. You can't get it better than that. Now, we just gotta put this valve body in to a specific height, and it's gonna be beautiful. Just working on hooking up the supplies first, hot and cold. This is the hot side. And then I'll work on the handle and the shower head. All right, next step, waterproofing and chicken wire. Let's get on it. We got everything waterproof. Chicken wire goes up. Then we're gonna silicone inside the window to make sure everything's perfect. And as you can see, this is a retrofit window. So those little plastic pieces, we ripped those off, and I just added some more sheetrock to bump it out so the tile dives into the frame of the window instead of having that nasty glue on trash. So it looks 1000% better. So let's get that chicken wire up and we're gonna start floating because time is of the essence. We gotta get all the tile work done today. We're floating the back wall, as you can see. Then we got the side wall, so probably another 30 minutes of floating, and then we can start setting tile. And I know a lot of guys say like, the float is too wet. How can you set tile on it? Yes, you can. We are starting with our first row. As you can see, that needs to be perfect, perfectly flat. There's no lippage, perfectly level. I already made sure went through to be absolutely exact on our layout. And now I'm ready to go, ready to rock and roll. As you can see, all the mud is still wet. So I have absolute malleability to make this absolutely perfect. All right, so we're back at it again. I had to go to Floor and Decor to get the other tile, the correct tile. It took a little bit of while because they had to get it down with a forklift. They didn't want to do it today, but I had to give them a hell, so they finally did it. And now we just got to finish it up. It's about 6 o'clock, so hopefully another hour we're done setting tile, or about so. Then I want to do a couple of other things, you know, just do like a full day, maybe until about 8, 9 o'clock tonight. All right, so shower is complete, finally. Let's see what time it is. Oh my goodness, it's 8 freaking o'clock. It's pretty late. But we still got the floor left. We gotta do the tile base. So hopefully we can get that done in the next hour or so. So we're gonna clean all of this out and start setting the floor. Let's do it. All right, we are all complete for today. As you can see, we got the floor down. We got also all the base down. We did not do the base by the cabinet because that's going to be cut in to the cabinet. It's got to be absolutely precise. And as you can see, we got the new mirror. Looks absolutely awesome. New tub, new tile. I mean, all the trim and stuff like that, it just looks freaking phenomenal. It looks fantastic. Tomorrow, we just gotta put in the toilet, vanity, grout everything up, paint everything up, and I think we should be done by about 5 o'clock or so. Hopefully. We'll see you tomorrow. Absolutely perfectly lined up. So now I'm tightening this middle part. Next thing, we're gonna cut this stuff up and polish it out. Get it ready for the shower.
I think that's pretty good. Maybe a tiny bit smaller, lose like an inch. We'll go one right here and one right here probably. We're at the very end. I'm putting in the lights, putting in new outlets, putting in new, I got, what do you call it, motion switches. I mean, this is gonna be absolutely epic. I love this portion of the job because we're getting so darn close. You know, the homeowners are coming home at about 8 o'clock and it's only about 1:30 or so, 2 o'clock. We're doing great. All right, we are 100% complete. This thing looks absolutely phenomenal. From where it came from, as you've seen before picture, to where it is right now. Quick explanation, so we basically tore everything out. We put a brand new tub, put a brand new plumbing, plumbed up the tub, all brand new. New valve with an awesome diverter. You know, you got a wand, you got a tub filler, you got a shower head. We got porcelain tile all the way up, 16th inch joint, floated, as you can see. You know, we didn't lick and stick. This was 100% mudded, floated. So it's on there for, you know, next 50 years or so. Fixed around the window, made sure it's nice and tight and even around the window so it's not that huge gaps with that ugly white tape that gets put on the retrofit windows. As you can see, really awesome looking shower head. This is a shower wand. Looks absolutely awesome. Well, again, brand new tub. Toilet. I love these toilets. One piece. You know, the homeowner has 2 boys. You know, they like to spray. And in this instance, super easy to clean. There's nothing on the side, nothing over here. Everything's easy, everything's clean. One piece. Brand new vanity. As you can see, they wanted some drawers. He wanted some drawers. His wife knows nothing about this. Drawer 1, drawer 2, and a little drawer for like toothbrushes or whatever, you know. Then we got brand new Moen faucets, a brand new mirror, as you can see, giant. It used to be about half the size, now it's giant. New outlets, new switches, brand new light, brand new holders for toilet paper, for towel, toilet paper, big towel, and we got a hook behind the wall. Also, I put a brand new lock in, and as you can see, we got this beautiful tile, the pattern tile just running down the floor. And we got the same tile that we used on the walls for a 6-inch base, trimmed all out with Schluter metal all the way around inside the window and everything. So it turned out phenomenal. I think it's absolutely cool. Like I said, his wife knows nothing about this. As far as she knows, I came out to fix the faucet. They're gone for 2 days. We basically finished up. So yesterday we spent all day till about 9 o'clock, and today I finished up around 3 o'clock. Had to come back to touch up some little things, and the guys were cleaning up the van, tools and stuff like that, but we finished up by 3, you can say, all right? And we got this whole thing done. 2-day project. I think it turned out phenomenal. You know, we're getting quicker and quicker on this thing. So let me know what you guys think. Comment down below, and we'll see you in a bit for the surprise reveal. All right, guys, I'm waiting in front of the house for them to get here and then see the great reveal. Check it out. All right, guys, they are here. Just pulled up. I'm here by the tree. The key's under the brick. Blindfold time.
Just hold my hand. I'll take her to step. So, alright, so let's see. This way. Okay. And then, alright, here. See this door handle? Open it. Yeah. Alright.
Alright, what?
Okay, you ready? Alright.
Wow! Is this our place? It's beautiful.
Do you like it?
Yes, I love it. Thank you.
Does it look different?
Yes. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, it's so beautiful.
This is awesome.
It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's so sparkly. It's so cute. I love it.
Yeah,
It's
so we did a
glam.
couple of different things, as
It's
you can
so
see.
glam.
big old mirror.
Whoa!
You
and
like
the,
it?
the new insert. That's
New insert.
I
awesome.
love it.
Brand new vanity.
That's so beautiful, amazing.
Also light, right? You like the light, right?
Yes, of
Yes,
course.
this is awesome.
Super makeup.
And then look at this for toothbrushes.
So pretty. Wow, I always wanted drawers.
That's what your husband said.
Yeah.
So
And then as you can
pretty.
see we got you a one-piece toilet, so the kids is gonna be easier to clean it
Oh
up.
yeah.
You see
huh?
how it's like really nice on the sides and
Yes.
stuff. And obviously in the shower we got porcelain, and then a brand new valve, new trim kit as you can see. So none of this stupid stuff hanging off anymore, right?
Yeah.
You like it, right, sister?
Yes, I love it.
See, this is basically what you use in order to adjust. So let's see, this is the bottom, I think.
Maybe we should have Gideon go get the kids.
Yeah.
All right, so basically you know what's up. All right,
Kids.
sister, what do you think?
Thank you. It's
You like it?
adorable.
It looks like a
It's
different
very
house, right?
glam. I love it. Yeah.
Yeah, your husband helped
and
me
I love
pick out
the
some of the
and
stuff.
I love the details. Easy to change the toilet paper.
Absolutely. We
Yes.
got you new holders, and obviously we got tile baseboard, so it's easier to clean the floor as
Oh,
well.
it's so pretty. Oh my gosh.
Kids, come in here.
Oh my god, amazing.
All right, guys. I'm happy you
Glamorous.
love it. Have a wonderful night. Chill
Awesome.
out, relax. We'll see you tomorrow, yeah?
Thank you.
Yep, try to make it tomorrow.
All right, Godspeed.